Mashallah, this is our suite room in Makkah. This is where Pullman and the other hotels finish up. This is Clock Tower, 50th floor. Moin, how did you like your room?
Nice.
This is the entrance and this is the washroom. With all the amenities. There's one small cupboard over here with light on top. Then we have got here the main bedroom. 2 double beds. This is also a Kaaba view room. This is a signature room. This is also having a washroom. Moin, set up the computer over there. The computer. Over there or over here? हाँ. Mashallah, this is again a Kaaba view room.
Yeah.